Even if you are not ready for the day, it cannot always be night.
Okay, we are ready.
You are ready. I'm not.
Let's go, Fabiola. Fast getting ready.
I don't like this.
Pressure.
We have 5 minutes.
We have 5 minutes.
Yeah, take things easy.
I'm like,
Easy.
and Fabiola is like, I take things easy.
Yeah.
Oh, this is bad. This is
Yeah,
bad.
this is.
3 minutes. Eyebrows. No.
Keep calm. Life is one.
Life is one.
Yeah, life is one. Even if you are not ready for it. Why are you not looking there?
Wait, I need it. No! Oh my god.
Even if
Oh,
you are not.
how did I do this?
Okay, I think I have to move on.
We have to move on.
I changed the idea.
This is the most chaotic makeup tutorial of all time.
But trust me, I will before of you.
Okay.
Don't make me laugh. Don't make me laugh.
We are just fine. We are just fine. Look. Oh no, no. One lash. Fabiola is somewhere. Why are we doing this?
I wonder the same.
Oh, it looked good, actually. I am satisfied. We are almost at the end of the time. Fabiola, are you done?
I'm vibing.
Oh my god. We need more than 5 minutes today. This is not our day.
Why my eyes yellow? I broke my palette.
Wait.
Oh my god. The worst tutorial ever.
Oh my god. How are we even doing this? Like, I honestly don't understand how are we
I
doing
have
this.
no idea.
Hair. I'm done.
Okay, this is the best.
I was done first.
Ah, no!
Don't mind me. Just gonna drink my coffee. Chop chop. Fabiola's dress is a lot more conservative. We're ready.
I'm ready. No, I'm ready first. What the fuck? I will never go out like this.
We need to finish. 7 minutes. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Six, I do work. Work 6 of